Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be installing the new wheels on the truck. So here they are. We're gonna do an unboxing. Yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing. Alright guys, so here we are. So these are Vision wheels. The size are 20 by 10, negative 25. Alright, so these wheels are for the truck, for her daily, and the toy rig. Oh man, they're real nice. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah?
I like the way they say BAM in your face.
Alright, all secure. We're not going far anyway. You don't care about shotguns. Like it? Better?
I like it. Trying to figure out what you had in your hand. Second.
You like it? It's good.
Side view. Top view. View. I hope they hate as much as I want.
Huh? Alright guys, what you think? Drop in the comments below what you guys think of the new wheels. I'm just waiting on the last wheel so we can go home and put them on. I'm excited. Hopefully they fit properly with the offset. I didn't want them sticking out too much. Alright. Made it home. I'm about to put I'm about to unload these. Excuse the glare. Anyway, so I'm about to download these, and I guess I'll start with the back. It's easier, and then I'll move on to the front. Alright, let's get to it, guys. Mishap. Skyline decided to die today. So my significant other took the Skyline to go to the store while I installed the wheels, and the battery died. So I had to go rescue and buy a new battery. Luckily it was just a battery, and now I know I have to replace the alternator soon. So that's what I'm gonna have to order online today. But the battery did cost me $150, and that was the closest battery I can find to the size for the Skyline. But anyway, let's get these wheels installed on the truck. So let's try this one more time. I had the truck up in the air. I just had to go save Janie in the Skyline. Anyway, so let's get these tires ready to mount on this truck real quick. Alright guys, so here are the lug nuts. They have them at O'Reilly's. I have to go get them. They're pretty nice lug nuts. They have a key. So, pretty cool. It looks good. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. I am buying an exhaust system for the truck, so stay tuned for that. See you guys next time. And alright guys, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more DV Chronicles and all the cars. Now we got the SI, we got the Skyline, we got the Integra, then we got the Mustang and the truck. So if you guys haven't followed me yet, follow me on Instagram. It's d.vbuilt. I'll post it on the description below, so you guys can check out the cars. I post more on Instagram than I do YouTube. I'm still trying to learn YouTube and how to edit videos and all that stuff. So far I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but I do need new equipment. But I'd rather just buy car parts than camera equipment. That's just me though. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you next time.